You are the only SQL developer in your company and you're about to proceed for your annual leave for a week. Your manager asks you to show the sales manager basic SQL query which you can use to select price list in USD, Euro, Pound Sterling, and Chinese Yuan from the database while you are away. Below are the current exchange rate. What we are going to do now is to use view. We are going to create view because since the sales manager does not know anything about SQL, we need to make it simple for him. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to create a query that will convert everything to Euro, Pounds, and Yuan. Then we use it to create view, which the manager can later use to call this particular query price yuan. So these are the various feed that we're going to say from. And what is that? Even though you don't put this here, as I've explained before, it doesn't actually matter. Just say from cast in a join with manufacturer, then on one ground on order by ascending. And as you can see, this is the manufacturer name, this is the car name, it's the currency converted Euro, Pounds, Yuan. Okay, now this is not what we are going to give to the sales manager because this is very complex. So to assist him, we are going to use this one to create view, because view will help us to wrap this in a name like a table. It's like we are using this one now to create a table. This output, one will have the output, this table. The way you create normal table, we also want to create artificial table. And this is the output of that artificial table. And this is the query we are using to create that table. And to show that it's artificial table, say create view, which let's call this one price list. That's the name of this one. Then we put as here. So everything here now is now attached to this price list. If we enter now, you see it has gone. If you go and check the database, say show tables. Before now we have 2 tables. Now we have 3 tables. The first one and second one. Now the new one, which is what the artificial table. Now to show that we are correct, let's select all from this artificial table. See, it's now coming out now. So this is the query we are going to give the sales manager. So whenever you want to get this price list in these denominations, it will simply put this one on the terminal, or we put it where? We put it in Workbench. Then we have this result. So whenever you copy this, all you need to do is just to save this anywhere. Whenever I want to print out these prices, we simply put it here. I have this. What helps us to create this table, this artificial table, is called view. Hope this was also your solution. Let's go straight to the next challenge.